If you want to make money on your own terms, the fastest way to do that is by using AI. But the problem is, people don't actually even know how to use it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make money with AI, and I'm going to break down 3 other ways that people are making a killing using AI today. So we're going to call this video the best 4 AI side hustles in 2023. There are so many well-known companies taking advantage of AI. And when I read this article on how IBM plans to replace nearly 8,000 jobs with AI, these jobs are the first to go. What better way to get ahead than by learning how you can use AI to your benefit? We are way past the days when AI was just a buzzword. In 2023, it's the ultimate game changer. But don't just take my word for it. Meet Matt Higgins, a former broke kid who dropped out of high school at 16 years old, but whose net worth is now over $150 million. He said that AI will be the greatest wealth creator in history because artificial intelligence doesn't care where you were born, whether you have money, whether you have a PhD. It's going to destroy barriers that have prevented people from moving up the ladder and pursuing their dream of economic freedom. And he isn't lying. You can find AI almost everywhere now. That's why the time to take advantage of this is now. It is already impacting so many lives that it may not be much longer until it could impact you. Alright, are you ready to dive into a world of AI-powered side hustles in 2023? Let's go. My first AI side hustle is a virtual assistant. AI is really changing the game for freelancers and entrepreneurs, and you can make a lot of money with AI as a virtual assistant. I've been a virtual assistant for a while now, and AI has helped me with my efficiency, accuracy, automation, productivity, and scaling. I earn around $1,000 a month doing just 10 hours a week. But thousands of virtual assistants who do this full-time earn around $40 to $60 an hour, which is $80,000 to $105,000 a year. You're probably wondering, well, what does a virtual assistant actually do? Virtual assistants do the things that their employer simply does not have the time to do. Things like administrative tasks, design work, writing, video, audio creation, or editing, sales and marketing, and so on and so on. To become a virtual assistant, you just need to bring your skills, a laptop, and Wi-Fi. Your next question is probably, well, how do I get a job? There are so many VA roles available on Upwork, Fiverr, Indeed, LinkedIn, and Facebook, just to name the few that I'm familiar with. But you can also land some one-off gigs by word of mouth like I've done. I was able to keep 2 clients on retainer for several months. My favorite virtual assistant AI tools are Fathom. Fathom records, transcribes, highlights, and summarizes your meetings so that you can focus on your conversation. It only took me a few minutes to get it installed, and it is completely free. ChatGPT, because I use this for almost everything now, and it's capable of generating human-like text based on content and past conversations. And there is absolutely no way I could do my job effectively without this tool, the world's best grammar checker. This is a grammar checker that I use because I can never be sure that my writing is 100% accurate. And it has a free Chrome extension that automatically checks your work for mistakes, including spelling errors, grammar, readability, and tone. I'll put all of the links in the description below. Next is Trevor AI. It's a calendar management AI tool. It automates scheduling by integrating with your calendars, suggesting optimal times based on your user preferences. Wally is an AI financial assistant that helps users manage their personal finances. Surfer SEO is an AI SEO assistant that helps you optimize their content for search engine. With all of these core AI tools, you have absolutely no choice but to deliver and to wow your client. These AI tools can make a virtual assistant's life so much easier and save so much time. So much time that you could even use your other time to make even more money. Here's a video that I did on how you can earn $2,000 a week on the side. My next AI side hustle in 2023 is selling low content books. What is a low content book? It's a book with minimal or no content on the interior pages. These books are usually repetitive and designed to be filled in by whoever buys this. Selling low content books on Amazon can be a fantastic side hustle. There are no upfront costs, no risk, you can work from anywhere in the world, and no prior experience is necessary. Also, Amazon handles all of the hard work of printing, shipping, and customer service, making it incredibly convenient and accessible option for anyone looking to start a business. To give you a better understanding of what a low content book actually is, it's things like notebooks, journals, planners, sketchbooks, logbooks, and so much more that require little to no writing by the seller. This process is pretty straightforward. As a seller, you upload your book to the Amazon KDP platform, and Amazon will print and ship the book directly to the buyer when the order is placed. You, as the seller, will receive a royalty payment from Amazon. To get started, all you need is a free Amazon KDP account and a membership that I'll link in the description below. And here's where the magic happens. AI-assisted content generation. You can use Midjourney, an AI-generated art and drawing tool that gives you whatever you type in as art in minutes. This helps you generate patterns, designs, and gives you basic content. This helps you save time and effort, making the creation process so much smoother. Once you have the AI-generated content, it is time to add your personal touch. You can design covers, tweak layouts, and make each book look unique. This helps you stand out in a crowded market. This company offers a range of helpful features that include research tools to help you find profitable niches. They also have weekly live webinars and training. I read a lot of success stories about people earning money with low content books, but it hit a little different when I saw a video of someone who ended up earning $5,000 a month after just 9 months from the launch date. If you want to get started selling low content books, I'll put a link in the description below so you can get a free trial to see if this is something that could work for you. My next AI side hustle in 2023 is selling wedding invitations. And before you say, Lindsay, weddings? We already know this market is too crowded. But it's not. And here's how I know. Because I use a tool that tells me exactly what the seller's stats are. From this research, I know that this new-ish seller is earning $7,895 a month in revenue. This tool gives me all the insight I need to know if this is something that I could start right now and earn just as much as they are if I put in the effort. Now, you can use this tool for free. But if you want to have the full functionality that I just shared, then you'll need to get the growth plan for $29.99 a month. And I know that may seem like a lot, but if you feel like you are not getting the value that you need after a month, go ahead and cancel. We are back to the AI tool Midjourney to design our wedding invitations. You can use Midjourney to create one-of-a-kind designs for wedding invitations. From intricate patterns to elegant fonts, AI tools can help you in breathtaking visuals that stand out in a crowd. AI can even help you with your mock-ups that you post on Etsy. In Midjourney, I gave the prompt modern wedding, invitation, white background, florals are green. And look at these stunning results. My next AI side hustle in 2023 is selling t-shirts. People love t-shirts, and you can create them easily and sell them on Etsy. This next AI tool is called Kittl, and all you have to do is upload your product photo and let Kittl AI automatically remove the background. Then choose your pre-designed scene or create a custom background by writing what you envision. And then you just download your new product photo in high resolution, and now you have your image. Now that you have your image, you can go to a print-on-demand supplier like Printful or Printify to upload your image to a t-shirt. And when you get a sale, it is all hands off and all hands on deck for them. They will print and ship your products to your customer. But just like wedding invites, you probably think selling t-shirts is too crowded. But it didn't stop people from buying, like this seller. This shop has been open for just 2 years, and I can see that they've sold over 51,000 products from their shop. Looking at their shop, I can see that everything looks like it's over $20. So we'll do $20 times 51,000. That is $1,020,000 in just 2 years in revenue. With the print-on-demand t-shirt business, there are so many ways that you can use these AI side hustles to make money in 2023 and beyond. You can use AI to help sell your products, make digital content, complete freelance assignments, work multiple remote jobs, and pursue a startup idea. I mean, the opportunities are endless. If you want to take AI side hustles to the next level, then make sure to check out my video on the 6 digital products to replace your 9-to-5. If this was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more. And if you made it to the end of this video, do me a favor and comment I made it so that I know that I'm not doing these videos for nothing. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.